Women are wired to respond to displays of masculine energy, just like you're wired to respond when she tosses her hair or walks with that subtle hip movement that drives you crazy. Picture this. You're sitting across a woman you really like, and suddenly she's staring at you with this look in her eyes that you've never seen before. Her pupils dilate slightly. She leans in closely, and there's that electric tension in the air. What did you just do? You simply ran your hand against your hair. And that's it. One small move with your body, and suddenly she's completely captivated. I'm about to share with you the secret body language moves that tap into something much deeper than just physical attraction. These moves trigger what experts call the law of polarity, the natural magnetic pull between masculine and feminine energy. When you master these, you're not just changing how you look, you're changing how women feel when they're around you. These body languages cues send signals directly to the emotional part of her brain, bypassing logic entirely. It's pure instinct, and it's incredibly powerful. There are 12 simple things you can do with your body right now that will make women look at you completely differently. Things so easy that you're probably already doing some of them without even realizing their power. But here's the catch. There's also one thing that 90% of men do every single day that kills attraction instantly. And if you're someone who spends time at a computer or loves gaming, you're probably doing it right now. The first move is something you can do right now, no matter where you are. Simply run your hands through your hair if you're bald or if you have a shaved head. Run your hand through your scalp instead. There's something about this gesture that women find absolutely magnetic. Maybe it's because it shows confidence, or maybe it draws attention to your facial structure. Whatever the reason, the simple move consistently gets results. Number 2, here's another one that works. Stroke your jawline or beard. This gesture emphasizes your masculine features and shows you're comfortable with your own masculinity. Women don't have beards, and this subtle reminder of your male characteristics triggers that polarity response we talked about earlier. Now let's talk about facial expressions. Try this next time you're talking to a woman. Slightly tilt your head and raise one eyebrow while looking at her with amusement. It's like you know something she doesn't, or you're playfully judging her in a good way. You can even shake your head and mock disapproval. This creates intrigue and shows you're not intimidated by her presence. Here's a power move that requires a bit more confidence. Put your hands behind your head, lean back, and look at her with the same amused expression. It's like you're doing a casual ab stretch while maintaining eye contact. When she asks what you're thinking about, just shake your head like you're keeping a delicious secret. This drives curiosity through the roof. Speaking of looking at her, here's something that separates confident men from everyone else. Look at her without restraint, not in a creepy way, but in a genuine appreciation and a hint of desire. Look at her like you're imagining something playful that you two could do together. This direct attention is incredibly flattering when done right. Take this a step further by nodding approvingly when you're checking her out from head to toe. Again, this only works if she's already interested in you. But when the attraction is mutual, this kind of obvious appreciation makes her feel incredibly desirable. Now here's something any guy can do, even if you're not sure about her interest levels yet. Lift something heavy in front of her. It could be moving furniture, carrying groceries. When women see you're handling physical tasks with ease, it triggers their attraction to male strength and capability. If she's already interested in you, this might even include lifting her, but we'll get to that later. Once you've established some connection, try pulling her towards you or wrapping your arms around her from behind. This obviously depends on your relationship stage, but physical leadership like this taps into something primal. You're showing protective instincts and taking charge of the physical space between you. Here's another leadership move that women absolutely love. Take her hand, give it a gentle squeeze, and lead her somewhere. Maybe it's to a different room. Maybe it's across the street. The key is the confident grip and the assumption that she'll follow your lead. Research shows even if you're the same size as a woman, your grip strength is about 30% more stronger than hers. This physical difference, when expressed gently, triggers attraction. When things get more intimate, there's a move that makes women completely melt. Hold her face in your hand and look deeply into her eyes, what feels like an uncomfortable moment, before you kiss her. This shows incredible self-control and dominance over the situation. You're not rushing, you're savoring the moment, and you're completely in charge. Here's one that sounds aggressive, but works incredibly well when she's attracted to you. Box her in against the wall. Put one arm against the wall next to her head. Or if you're about to kiss her, maybe both arms. When done right, this makes her feel feminine, protected, and vulnerable in the best possible way. She's trapped, but she wants to be trapped by you. The final intimate move is for when you're both ready to take things to the next level. Literally sweep her off her feet and take charge in the bedroom. This ultimate display of physical dominance and leadership, when she wants it, triggers complete submission to your masculine energy. But now I need to tell you about the one thing that kills all of this completely. It's so common, especially among men who works with computers or spend hours gaming. I'm talking about slouching. Poor posture immediately signals women that you're lazy, uninterested, unfit, depressed, or lacking confidence. If you spend your days hunched over a screen, you're developing what's called tech neck. Good posture isn't about looking better. It actually changes your psychology. When you stand tall, you feel more confident, more energetic, and more positive. This confidence radiates outwards and becomes incredibly attractive to women. Your physiology affects your psychology, and your psychology affects your physiology. Here's a bonus move that might surprise you. When you're driving with her, reverse into a parking spot using the old school method. One hand on the steering wheel, one hand on the back of her seat, looking backwards with complete confidence. This showcases spatial awareness and control that triggers masculine attraction. While you're driving normally, try controlling the wheel with just one hand or even a couple fingers, while your other hand rests behind her neck. These moves work because they amplify natural masculine traits while allowing her to feel more feminine in response. It's not about being aggressive or dominant in a negative way. It's about being confidently masculine in a way that creates space for her femininity to shine. The key to all of this is reading the situation correctly. These moves work when there's mutual interest and appropriate timing. They're about expressing confidence, not forcing interaction. When you use these techniques naturally and authentically, they become incredibly powerful tools for building attraction and connection. Remember, attraction is not logical. It's emotional and instinctual. These body languages cues directly, they communicate strength, confidence, protection, and leadership, all qualities that trigger positive emotional responses. Start practicing these moves today. Begin with the simpler ones like running your hands through your hair or improving your posture. As you get more comfortable and confident, you can incorporate the more advanced techniques. The most important thing is to be authentic. These aren't tricks or manipulations. They're ways to express your natural masculine energy more effectively. Your body language is constantly communicating, whether you realize it or not. Why not make sure it's sending the right message? Master these simple moves and watch how women respond to you differently. The change might surprise you. This has been your girl, Remi Rene. I'll see you guys in my next video.